Jefferson Jaguars, are you ready for the Jogathon? It's coming. You'll be running on March 16th. You'll have a time schedule. Your teachers will know. Your parents will know. They'll be there to cheer you on. So you'll be running on Friday, March 16th. It's going to be fun, and we're going to have a great time. All the money collected goes to Jefferson for your school, whether it be for the library, the playground, for cool activities in the classroom. Every single penny that we earn goes to you and your school. So, how much? Our school goal is $10,000. That seems like so much money. However, if all 700 students brought in only $15, we would meet this goal. Last year, we brought in over $7,000, which means that on average, every kid brought in about $10. We were close. But what if every student was able to bring in $40? That means you could ask 40 people for $1, 20 people for $2, 10 people for $4, or heck, just find 2 people and ask them for $20 each. If every student brought in $40, we would raise $28,000 for your school. So, what can you do? Well, the first thing you can do is ask. Ask your family, the people who love you, and your neighbors. So the people who love you, your family, and your neighbors, but do not go to your neighbors unless your parents are with you or you have asked for permission. Ask, and you can ask in a variety of ways. One is you can get the donations by cash or check. So if people want to hand you a dollar bill or they want to write you a check, you can accept either of those. Or you can collect money online through PledgeStar, which I'll show you in a second. Lastly, both. Some people might give you checks, some people might give you cash, some people might pledge online, but all of that money goes to the school. If you're going to use PledgeStar, you go to the website. It's really easy for your parents to sign up. All they have to do is click right here, not registered for this year's event, and fill in the information. And then there's even a link where they can put it on their Facebook account or their Instagram so that friends can go ahead and donate to your cause. So if you get $40 in pledges, here's what you will get. One is you'll get a Jag spot, a homework pass, a Jefferson Jaguar shirt, and 2 raffle tickets for amazing prizes. Sometimes it's been bikes, Ket cars, Nerf guns, big Lego prizes, gift cards. So you'll get a Jag spot, a homework pass, a Jefferson shirt, and 2 raffle tickets if you bring in $40. So, are you going to try and raise money for your school? I sure do hope so. It's going to be fun. You'll be bringing home a couple papers. One is the envelope with a pledge sheet where people can write directly on, or you can fill it out if you want. This will help keep track of who pledged and supported you as you run for your school. Also, a detailed flyer sheet, which will tell you specifically what you will win if you raise $5, $10, $20, or $40. It has the time on it as well, and it also shows your parents how to sign up for PledgeStar online. Plus, this year we're going to be having a Spirit Week. That means that the week of the Jogathon, every day is going to be something different. A crazy sock day, a twin day, a go for the gold, wear yellow day, a pajama day, and a running clothes St. Patrick's wear all green day. It's going to be so much fun. So remember, this year's Jogathon is on March 16th on Friday. You'll be getting all your information today. Take it home. Tell your parents to tell their friends and the people they work with. Tell your aunts, uncles, cousins, grandparents, and everyone you know to support your school. Go Jaguars!